Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are happy and healthy and inspired to launch your businesses or grow your existing businesses. Today we are talking about the all too often terrible marketing strategy that is hope and pray marketing. If you know what that means, I'm going to dive into it. I'm going to share some stories with you that'll hopefully enlighten you guys to marketing and how you want to think about it and approach it and how you don't want to think about it and approach it. But before I dive in, if you guys are new to the channel and you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do, over the last 10 years, myself and our company has had the pleasure of running our own juice business concepts as well as helping hundreds of people all over the world launch and scale juice bar concepts, smoothie bar concepts, acai bowl businesses, juice trucks, every variation of business in this arena. So all the information on this channel is coming from that experience. An early invitation to press the like button if you haven't yet. As you know, these videos do take time and energy. Pressing the like button is free. It will also expose more people to this content, which will in turn make the world a healthier place. So, diving in, if you are in a situation where you believe that your marketing strategy is you're going to open your business and people are going to love your product so much that word of mouth is just going to spread and people are going to come into your business. That's what I call hope and pray marketing. It's I just hope and assume that because my product is so good that people are going to find out about my company. And there's every variation of that. People might say, well, I hope that, I'm going to post on Instagram and I just hope people are going to find it through hashtags. And I say that's a bad strategy. But these are very elementary ways of looking at your marketing and oftentimes will not lead to that end result. It will not lead you to the place where your business is extremely successful. As I've often said, if you haven't heard it, I'll say it again. The most successful businesses in the world are businesses that have good products, but have the best branding and the best marketing. Okay? Unless you're developing a time machine or something that can teleport people, you need to have great marketing and great branding. And this is even more important than your product. Why? Because an amazing product that nobody's ever heard of is just an amazing product no one's ever heard of. And I'm sure some of the best products and services, you and I have no idea that they exist. Why? Because those people and those business owners are utilizing hope and pray marketing, which doesn't lead to creating real results. So what's the alternative? The alternative is having a very well thought out and well executed marketing strategy and marketing plan and marketing operations. There's two sides to every business. One is the back end, which is all of the operations, customer service, and they do cross over to the front end, but the other half of the business is everything front facing, branding and marketing. So you need to either invest your energy or you need to bring a company on and we can help you with your marketing. If you do need support with that, reach me at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. Happy to have that conversation. But be aware that marketing goes very, very deep. And oftentimes, if your focus is being a food service entrepreneur, it's not likely that you've spent the last 10, and some of you have, but very, very small percentages of you out there have spent the last 20 plus years of your life dedicating yourself to really understanding marketing in a very thorough way, to understand how to, write ad copy, how do you visually present things, how do you run ads to get in front of people. And we live in a day and age now where there's a gift and a curse that marketing isn't just TV ads and commercials on radios and billboards, which is kind of a good thing because those things are traditionally very expensive, but it's moved to the telephone, it's moved to the computer and online where you have to be really good at email marketing, running ads on Facebook, Instagram marketing, YouTube, so on and so forth, right? All the mediums that you see us engaging with our audience, these are things that you have to do as well for a brick and mortar store. It doesn't matter what kind of business you run because this is where people's attention is. So it is critical. I cannot advise enough. I can't tell you how many people, and I was a victim of this as well. When I first started my business, I thought, okay, I'll do everything and then we'll see how much money I have left over for marketing. Which is almost like, it's like, you plan a whole wedding, for example, and then you're like, well, let me see if I can show up. Let me see if I can find a suit at the end of the day. Let me see if I actually want to marry this person when I'll figure it out when I get there. That's what it's like. It's like figuring out if you really want to marry the person once you get there. Because if you don't have the money for your marketing and you don't have a strategy for your marketing, you can do all of this work and then you're relying on hope and faith and just praying like, I hope it works out. not a great way to go about it, okay? So I advise you don't do that. If you need support, like I said, reach out to me. Happy to help. Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope this enlightens you guys and just emphasizes how important marketing is, because the best businesses in the world have the best marketing and the best branding and good products. It's great if you have the best product too, but that's not the most important thing, okay? So that's all for today. Hope you guys are happy and healthy and inspired to launch your businesses. Hope this has been helpful. Press the like button if you haven't yet. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Hit the notification bell so you can get alerted anytime we release content like this. So much more. We're doing it often and consistently. And follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. If you like podcasts, we've got a podcast on Spotify and also on iTunes, the Juice Bar Experts podcast. You can listen passively while you're, cleaning your house, while you're driving to work, if you have a job or whatever you're doing. If you want to keep yourself informed, educated, and empowered, that's what I suggest. Until next time, see you soon. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. If you're in a place where you are really inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, the 15 steps to starting your juice bar from scratch. Now, this is going to give you an overview of all the steps that you need to take in order to launch your business. If you want to go even deeper, we created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every single aspect of the business, starting from the very beginning all the way to actually launching a successful juice business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you guys will find a lot of value out of them. As always, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you guys in the next video.